Hi, I am Laverne ID Cooley, and I am a multi-niche content creator, and I'll be sharing with you today about the importance of consistency. Look at it like this. Why do platforms favor consistency? Long as you just show up, why is consistency so important? Well, think of it like this. If you go into the gym and you're working on building muscle, you're trying to get stronger. Have you noticed that if you go regularly and consistently, you get stronger, you do build muscle? But if you just show up every now and then, you don't see results? Now you get the point. All right, now we're fixing to get into it. All right, listen, think of it like this. If you show up, it's going to push you out more. All right, number one, we're going to get into this because social media, the algorithms will favor your work if they see you are there every day. So let's talk about the love of the algorithm. All right. Platforms reward consistent creators by pushing the contents to the feeds or whatever you want to call, depending on the platform you're on. You build the trust once you are there regularly and consistently. Audiences learn your flow. Let's say, for instance, if you're a person that talk about pop culture or fishing or sports, you follow me. They know what to expect from you. When you show up regular, you become reliable. Skill sharpening. Consistency forces you to improve your own style, your own voice, even your editing. Unless you're one of those that's lucky enough to have people doing it for you. You follow me? All right, momentum. Even small daily actions compound over weeks and months. The keys to consistency is you pick a manageable schedule for you, whether it's every morning or lunch breaks or in the evening or if it's bedtime. And I always say, if you can do it at Sunday before bedtime, you can start your week out on the right track. You don't have to get up Monday morning rushing. Okay? Now, grab your batch of content, schedule it. It'll save you a lot of work. Record and design multiple pieces at once. Use scheduling tools like Buffer, Later, even drafts in different accounts like YouTube, TikTok. Then stick to pillars. Choose 3 to 5 content themes, recipes, motivation, tips, behind the scene. This keeps posting easier and more structured. Now, use insights. What time and day that work best? What type of post gets the most saves and shares or the most likes? Track and adjust. Refine without stopping the flow. Keep up with what's going on. And you know what I always say, and I had just said that in another video recently, get good at reading what's going on in your analytics. That is the power of consistency. If you track how well your videos are doing, what is the best time, how many people are following, what part of the video they're like, where's the strength at, it will help you with your content. Then look at which ones are growing, what videos seem to get the most traction, then you build on that. Are your videos with more comedy better, or the ones that's more inspirational? or your faceless videos better, or you showing up live better? Kind of look at it if you are doing those. And if you're not doing either one of those, look at what you're doing and see which one seem to be getting more likables, more people liking it, and what seem to be that's gravitating or getting pushed out more. That way you know what you're building on. Okay, your small actions add up. Post one time a day consistently, or 2 times a day, or 3 times a day. Long as whether it's 1 to 3 times a day, post regularly. Some platforms don't need all of that. Some are good to go with 3 times a week. So whatever works on the platform you work with, that's what you go with. What's important is to be consistent. Now, in my closing, I want to say, work with your audience. Talk to your audience. When someone leave a comment, follow up with that comment. Try hard to do it within 24 hours. It helps build the momentum. It helps build the connection. It lets people know you are interested in them, okay? Remember, be consistent and you will tap into the power. See you on the next video. Don't forget, like and share.